Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the element rod in Phase 8 Roblox. So let's get started. First, you need to complete the missions in Ancient Jungle. Make sure you finish all the required tasks there because this will unlock the next area that you need. After that, just head straight to the underground cellar. But remember, this place only opens at night, so wait for nighttime in the game, like this. And then once it opens, just go inside the cellar. And then next, you will find a parkour obstacle course, like this. Just follow the path and carefully jump through all the traps. Keep going until you reach the final room. And then next, inside that room, you will receive the element road quest, like this. Like this. And then next, just complete all the quests, and then next you will officially get the element road. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.